We have a 2013 Infiniti G37. First thing we're going to do to reset the oil light is we're going to use these buttons here, and we're going to use this top button first. We're going to scroll through the menu in the center. Once we get there, we're going to use the bottom button to go down to maintenance. We're going to use the top button to select the maintenance. Now we're going to go down to the oil. We're going to select the oil with the top button. We're going to go down with the bottom button to reset it. Okay, settings. Now we're going to use that top button. No. There we go, settings. Use that button there. We're going to use the bottom button to go ahead and put our selected miles in. Now, this was previously set with the 5,000 mile increment because it was running synthetic. We're going to go ahead and use the top button to select that. Then we're going to go back with the top button. We're going to go down to oil filter. We're going to do the same thing. Down to setting. We're going to select with the top button. We're going to use the bottom button to go back up to 5,000 miles. We're going to select that with the top button. We're going to go back, and now back again, and skip and get out of that menu. Now we're going to come over here to the center, which is essential to do the same thing here. We're going to hit the info button. We're going to go down to maintenance. So we're going to use this selector to go down to maintenance, hit enter. Oil, we're going to hit enter again. Now we're going to go ahead and reset the distance. So we'll click down, reset the distance. Now the distance has been reset. Now we're going to go back. We're going to go down to oil filter and reset the distance. This one has already been reset. And then that's it. We're going to go back. And that's how you reset both screens on an Infiniti G37. Thanks for watching.